What's up everybody, it's Johnny and I'm back today to talk about taxes. In today's video, I am breaking down what to do if you receive a tax notice. Before I dive into all of this, thank you so much for watching, and please remember, click that subscribe button so you do not miss out on any other important videos that may help you. Alright, here we go. First, if you got a tax notice, take a deep breath and know you are not alone. The IRS sends out millions of notices, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you some tips on what to do after receiving a tax notice. Alright, step one. The first thing to do is to open the mail. Take immediate action. Do not put it off or leave it on your counter or in a drawer or in some other area and try to forget about it. Make sure you open up the envelope and you see what's inside. After opening up the letter, review the notice and verify that it's an actual notice from the IRS. There are plenty of scams going on right now, so be very careful. If you are unsure as to whether it is real or not, you can call 800-829-1040, or you can call your own reliable tax accountant to determine whether or not it's real or if it's a scam. While we're on the topic of scams, just know the IRS will not email you and the IRS will not call you. The IRS will, however, send you a letter. Okay, so let's recap. At this point, you need to open the letter and you need to verify that it is real. Now, read the instructions carefully. The IRS has their own instructions on how to deal with tax notices, which I will link in the description, and one of the tips is to only reply if you are instructed to do so. So wait a second, what does that mean? Yes, some notices may be just informational and may not even require a response. Please make sure you read the instructions carefully. Once you have read the instructions, you need to find your tax documents from the year in question. This is a good point in the video to remind you to please maintain good records of your tax returns and the detail used to create those tax returns. If you are not a good record keeper, make sure you have an accountant that will keep those records. Copies of your tax returns and tax detail are not only important to have for tax notices, but are also important if you want to buy a home or make other big purchases. Alright, back to the topic. So at this point, we have opened the letter. We have verified that it's real. We have read the instructions and determined that a response is required. And now we are locating tax documents for the year in question. Now, the biggest step. Determine if the notice is correct or not. Is there a discrepancy between your documents and what the IRS is claiming? Do you agree or do you disagree? If you agree, then it's time to pay the bill as soon as possible. If the bill cannot be paid immediately, there are options such as installment plans to get the bill paid. The notice itself will come with very specific instructions on how to pay. If you disagree, again, follow the instructions on the notice. Oftentimes, a letter or a call will need to be made to dispute any changes. So, in conclusion, to sum all of this up, follow the following steps. Number one, open the mail. Do not ignore it because unfortunately, the IRS is not going away. 2, make sure it's real. 3, read the instructions. Only take action if the IRS asks you to. 4, find your documents. 5, check to see if you agree or disagree. And finally, step 6, respond exactly how the notice asks you to respond. Alright everyone, I hope this video was helpful. Remember, when it comes to taxes, it is always critical to consult with your own accountant for your own specific situation. Thank you so much for watching. As always, stay healthy, stay sane, and I cannot wait to see you all soon.